Good morning everybody, it is our third day in Vegas. We're doing the route on the way to the Grand Canyon for staying over, and then we're going to be hiking tomorrow. But first up we are visiting the Seven Magic Mountains, which is this really cool coloured rock art installation which is on the way to Hoover Dam. Then we're going to be heading over to Hoover Dam where we'll be overlooking Lake Mead. We can see the beautiful mountains, probably find out more about that when we get there. And then after that we're going to be heading on our way to the Grand Canyon. So it's a beautiful day, it's just straight highway in front of us. We're in a brand new Mustang which we're loving. We're just really excited for our little road trip. It's so weird to just see them as you're coming over the horizon. It's just coloured rocks.
Oh, you're talking to them?
Yeah, not talking to you. I'm talking to them. Very cool. Really enjoyed that. Probably spent a bit too long getting photos, but yeah, it's really awesome. On to Hoover Dam. Whoop, 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 whoop. Welcome to Hoover Dam. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. We're just on the observation deck on top of the Hoover Dam exhibition, and the view is just amazing and the weather is gorgeous. It's well worth a ticket, it's $10. I'd rather do this than the guided tour. The views are just way better. Gone into the visitor centre, and now we've just done the length of the dam. Really cool place, as well as just being absolutely beautiful with the views and everything. There's lots of awesome things to find out about it. The dam was created to stop the Colorado River from flooding California and Mexico, but also to bring more jobs during Depression. It was agreed to be built around 1928 and then was finished in 1935. So it brought thousands of jobs to the area, but also helped to then build Nevada and the surrounding areas. It straddles over 2 time zones. You have Arizona time, which is currently 3:30, and then you've got Nevada time, which is 2:30. So it's cool to literally go across the bridge and go into another time zone.